Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us make chocolate-rich cupcakes today. Easy and delicious, but not quick this time. Take a bowl and cut chocolate slab into small chunks for making chocolate ganache. We are making ganache first, so may it cool until we bake cupcakes. Cooling is important for stable, no subtle combination. Put the chunks into another bowl. Add to tablespoon of milk. Put it into microwave for 30 seconds. When the bowl heated up, start dissolving the chocolate. Mix and mix. Soon you will get the smooth ganache. Now take another bowl and break 2 eggs. Add 207 grams of castor sugar and beat until its color turns white. When its color change, add 125 milliliters of oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and put aside the mixture. Take another bowl, add 43 grams of cocoa powder. Add 90 milliliters of water and make a thick paste. Look at the consistency. Now beat the egg mixture again. And add the chocolate paste to it. And beat. Add all-purpose flour, 130 grams, a pinch of salt and a half grams of baking soda. Gradually. Add 90 milliliters of milk as well. Add rest of the dry ingredients. Clear the edges and mix with a spatula, this time. Look at the consistency carefully. Take a baking tray in which we have already placed the linear. Fill it with mixture. And bake on 180 for 30 to 35 minutes. Decorate with chocolate ganache, which we had made earlier. Pour on the sponge. Eat while it's hot. It will give excellent flavor and will satisfy your sweet cravings. And subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Dip cupcakes to ganache and decorate with coconut or sprinkle. I am decorating it with at MeryAndazMain. Give my video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.